to worst crime
many
on
crime
earth.
per earth, but what about two of the worst crime? Maybe in our next video we'll talk about two more. It's when a man hold on a woman, violate her by taking her things without fear or consent. If he said that one of the worst crime. And the reason he said that one of the worst crime is because when a man do that to a sister, you know, him kill her in a many different ways. And enough of them sister then never recovered. You know? And them about saying when saying no nation can rise higher than a woman. And you see when a woman reproduce, she don't only reproduce in a physical form, she reproduce spiritually and mentally. And enough of them women when them think they reach them and them reproduce some dangerous offspring. That's why them say when a woman, you know, pregnant she don't watch certain show because it causes a chemical reaction and it can affect a baby. The world stay how it stay now because, you know, the sister them don't in a mental state. Them not produce no great offspring because the world get to them. You understand? So I believe that one of the worst crime, you know, when a man violate a woman them way there. And the second worst crime, you know, is when a one ungrateful. You know, a one come out to that thing what they them say, most of the time you help us an animal, you help a dog for 3 days and remember you for 3 years. You help us some human being for 3 years and in a 3 day time them forget about you. I believe that if a one can't show gratitude, if a one don't be grateful for the help we help him, I feel say, you know, him is not human being star. Gratefulness and gratitude supposed to inner with DNA to show back when a person help with. And if a one can't show gratitude when I help them are not human. They are some kind of beast. Because humans supposed to show gratitude and be grateful. That's supposed to inner your DNA.